Hi there, I wanted to show you how you could quickly change the default font and size on your Google Docs so that you can change it if you don't like the one that shows up every time you open a new Google Doc. So you're going to want to type in a document in your old font, and then you're going to want to change it to what you'd like. I'm going to change my font and I'm going to change my size. And now every time I start a new Google document, this is how it's going to look. I want to go to this Format tab up here, and I want to go to Paragraph Styles. And the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I'm working in normal text. So I'm going to update normal text to match. And then I'm going to go back to that Format tab again and go to Paragraph Styles one more time. And I'm going to go all the way down here to Options, and I'm going to save this as my default style. You're going to notice that it's been updated and saved. And now the next time you open a new Google Doc, you're going to have your new font and your new size as your default setting.